Can you really remove all your hard inquiries using Experian online disputing? Today I'm going to talk about that in this video. What's up y'all, my name is Tomy Boboy, your credit and personal finance coach. If this is your first time on my channel, I'd just like to say welcome. Typically on the channel, I'm talking about things related to credit and personal finance. So if you're interested in achieving financial freedom and being able to improve your credit, then be sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now let's jump into Experian online disputes and hard inquiries. Now personally, whenever it comes to Experian online disputing, I think that it's actually really great for you to use to handle your inquiries. Now typically, I don't recommend you dispute online for a few reasons. Really, the main reason is because of the options that they give you. You're forced to have to dispute or bring up reasons, or more specifically, use a specific drop down of reasons that they have to dispute. You can't go in there and just ask them to verify those accounts to start off with. And I think that's always going to be the best route, is you verifying the accounts. That way you can start disputing based off of the information you have and the incorrect things that you see on an account, which typically accounts are going to be, they're going to have at least some sort of information that's incorrect. Whether it's the date, the date of the last payment, maybe it's the payment amount or the balance, whatever it is, you're going to be able to dispute that information once you have them stating that it has been verified and is 100% accurate. That's whenever you can show them proof that things are incorrect and they're forced to remove it by law. But the issue with you're using the Experian online disputing is they only give you a certain amount of reasons that you can use. And obviously none of them is going to say, hey, can you just verify this? It's going to be things like, oh, my account my account is, this isn't my account, something's incorrect. It's going to be really specific reasons, right? That kind of I think they kind of put you in a hole when you're trying to dispute regular accounts. But with inquiries, I think this can be an actual good tool for you to use. But for you to have good results doing this, you have to make sure that you're actually disputing legitimate accounts that need to be legitimately removed, that they're legitimately invalid. Okay. You want to make sure that you're disputing accounts that are, outdated. Maybe it's an inquiry that it's past 2 years, it should already be removed, or it's an inquiry for an account that isn't yours, or maybe it's fraud, something like that. Or it's an inquiry, let's say, for example, you went to get a credit card and then you have like 5 inquiries now from Bank of America or Chase or something like that. Then you can dispute that because they should have only dinged your credit once as opposed to 5 times. Things like that make sense for you to dispute online. Now, just a few caveats. I do want to also mention that, guys, remember that this is only done through Experian. So if you have inquiries through the other credit bureaus, the other 2 credit bureaus, then you would have to work that out with them. Experian is only going to allow you to remove anything that's shown up on your Experian credit report. So now let's go ahead and jump into my computer so I can show you exactly how to navigate the form and be able to fill it out correctly. This will show you step by step how to get any of your inquiries dealt with. Alrighty guys, so pretty much all I did was go straight to the Experian.com website. And from here, you can scroll down to the bottom. There should be a section here. Let me find it. How to dispute report. Oh, no, actually right here, disputes. Okay, you want to click on disputes. Now it's going to take you to this page that looks like this. And what you're going to want to do is click on start a new dispute online. Okay, so if you don't have an account, it'll walk you through setting up an account. I already have one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in. So give me 1 second. After that, what I did is I scrolled all the way to the bottom and clicked on dispute guides once you get fully logged in. And guys, again, this is free, right? They're going to try to offer you a bunch of services, but you don't need it. I would just say just reject all of it. And once you get the account set up, it should pull your credit information. They might ask you some security questions to make sure that you are who you say you are. Once they do that, then you actually get to the page where you can see your credit score. Scroll down to the bottom, and that's where you're going to see this dispute guides or disputes guide option, and you want to click on that. Oh, I'm actually on the page. Perfect. Yeah, so once you get to this page, yeah, scroll down to the bottom here. You're going to click dispute online. And click start new dispute. Yeah, so mine is just not allowing me to dispute it just because it's more than likely because it's the SBA loan. So what you'll do is you'll want to dispute it here online. Now, you'll just want to click on details, and then you should be able to see your specific inquiries. But if it's still giving you issues, what I'd recommend you do is go ahead and go to. They should also give you information in terms of like a number you can call to dispute as well. Inquiries, I mean, they're pretty cut and dry. Really, I would just dispute the inquiries that are outdated. If not, then it just makes it a lot tougher for you to kind of dispute it, just because they're really simple. It just says the name of the company that did the inquiry and the date. So there's really nothing that you can try to dispute based off incorrect information, things like that, right? So those are pretty much the options, guys. That's the gist of it. Go ahead and give those a try. Give this a try. Let me know if you have any issues. You can put it down in the comments below, and check out my other videos about how to deal with any other types of inquiries, as well as anything else that might show up on your account. Okay, so that's going to be the gist for this video, guys. I will see you at the next one.